Okay, hi. I was introduced to something about last week, a few days ago, and on FTX exchange. So FTX exchange is actually a leverage. It's popularly known for their leverage trades. So the normal leverage trades we take on Binance are actually traded here on FTX token, on FTX exchange rather. But the unique difference is the fact that FTX exchange actually provides make availability of these leverage trades to be traded in form of token. So what does that mean? Let me say you decide to take a leverage trade. What we all know is if you take a leverage trade on Binance, let me say with the 10x, and the trade goes against you, the possibility of you getting liquidated is there. But if you take a leverage trade using leverage tokens on FTX, you don't lose the token, but you lose the value of your money. So the possibility of you gaining back when the market goes towards the direction you traded, you will make back your money you had invested. But in regards to Binance, it's either the trade goes towards the direction you traded, or you get liquidated, or you cut your losses. But for leverage for FTX exchange, it's not that way. You buy the tokens, and if the trade goes towards the direction you have bought these tokens, you make your gains. If it goes opposite directions, you make your losses, but there's no room for liquidation in the sense that you still have those tokens, and if when the trade goes towards your direction, you make money from it. So I'll just go straight into it. So on here is the leverage token. So most of the leverage tokens here are actually a 3x leverage. You could see on the home screen, you can see here there's 3x leverage here, 3x leverage. So most of those tokens are 3x leverage. So there are a lot of leverage tokens here. You can see XRPbull. XRPbull means when the market goes up, you're going to make money on that particular trade. Then XRPbull, where is it? There's XRPbull too. So XRPbull means when the market goes down, you're going to make money on that trade. If you had bought XRPbull, look at the price of XRPbull right now, it's down. And of course, people always want to make money on trades when the market is going up. A lot of people are really concerned about buying XRPbull, but not only XRPbull, a lot of other cryptos here, people do not trade the bear. They mostly trade the bull. Now, let me show you, for example, Dogebull. Now look at Dogebull is 5.7. So if you had bought Dogebull as at December or as at November, you make what you bought will be giving you 5.7 USD per coin. Dogebull right now is 2.7. So if you decide to buy Dogebull right now, it actually means when the market goes up, let me say if Doge gets to 50 cents, you'll be running into gains. So how is this calculated? For every 1% increase in the price of Dogecoin itself, there's a triple effect on the price of Dogebull. So let me say if Dogecoin increases by 10% right now, Dogebull is going to increase by 30% immediately. It's going to be reflected on the price of Dogebull. If Dogecoin drops by 10%, Dogebull is going to also increase in price by 30%. So that's just a simple explanation to this, but that is not even what I'm really concerned about. Let me show you why I feel people should actually go into this trade right now. I'm going to use 3 or 4 coins as an example. Let's go to, I won't be able to see the full charts on Ether, because I don't know, I don't really like how I can't zoom in. I can't zoom in. I'm trying to zoom in. I can't zoom in. I'm trying to change the view from 5 to 1. Okay, but even when I try to zoom, I can't still zoom. It's still showing me very small parts. So let me use CoinMarketCap to further explain this to you. So now let's go to Dogebull. So if you come on CoinMarketCap, when you click on Dogebull, you'll see FTX Exchange logo here. Their logo. So Dogebull. Okay, at the moment we are using a 90 days view. So 90 days view takes us all the way to November 8th. That's November 8th. So as at November 8th, the price of Dogebull was 86. Look at it here, high $86, and the low was $63, and the average was $74. Now, of course, we all know on the 10th of November was a peak for the price of Doge. Right from the 10th of November all the way right now till date, the price of Dogebull has dropped to $2.72. Now let us look at the all-time high of Dogebull. The all-time high of Dogebull was $240,000. This is massive, and this happened in 2021 April. Of course, we all knew what happened last year April when Elon Musk tweeted about Dogecoin and it skyrocketed. So the increase then had a triple effect on the increase in Dogebull. So this is why I'm advising you guys to please consider throwing in some cash into Dogebull. Now let me show you that of Link. Okay, before I show you that of Link, let me go back to Dogecoin itself. Dogecoin. Now let us see what the all-time high for Dogecoin was as at November 10th. So November 10th, 2021, the high of Dogecoin was 29 cents, and the low was 26 cents, and the average was 28 cents. So you can see how little the price grew and what the impact was on the price of Dogebull. The price went up to as high as $82. Okay, let me take a look at Link. I'm trying to arrive at something. Let me take a look at Chainlink. Now, the all-time high for Chainlink as at November 12th was $38. Look at it, $38, and the all-time low was $32. So now let us check for LINKbull. Let's see what the price of LINKbull reflected on FTX exchange. The price of LINKbull on FTX exchange as at 12th November, you can see it, 12th November was $2.533. $2.533, look at it, and the low was 1.6 and the average was 2.083. At the moment, we have seen how the price of LINKbull has dropped all the way from the 12th of November all the way till date, and we have a current price of $0.039 dollar per LINKbull. So let's take a look at Ether. Let's take a look at Ether. Let's take a look at Ether. Let's look at the all-time high for Ether. Okay, I think the all-time high for Ether was on the 18th. Was on the 18th of November 2021, and we saw the highs of Ether to be 4,008. We saw the highs of Ether to be 4,891, and the low was 4,107, while the average was 4,4499. So we can basically see that on the 18th was the peak. So now let us look at let us look at EtherBull. What the price reflected on EtherBull on FTX on FTX exchange on the 18th of November. 18th of November, the price of EtherBull was 2,000. The price of EtherBull was 2,569. That was the price on the 18th of November. We had the low of 1,825 and an average of 2,197. And right from the 18th of November, the price has started dropping. Although the all-time high was actually on the 12th, where the price of EtherBull was $3,140 per EtherBull. And right from the 12th of November, we have seen a plunge in the market in the price of EtherBull up to date, where the price of EtherBull is at $236.32. Okay, now let's take a look at that of Polygon Matic. Okay, Matic had its highs on the 30th of December, where it was $2.9, and the market started dropping from the 29th up to date. Now let's take a look at MaticBull on FTX. What reflected on FTX? So we can see that the highs here for MaticBull was actually on the 4th of December, not even 30th of December. The highs for MaticBull was on the 4th of December, where the price was 80 cents, and right from there the price started dropping, although there was a little rise on the 28th of December, but the price started dropping right from the 4th of December all the way till date. Until date, the price of MaticBull is 0.0631, whilst it was as high as 80 cents on the 4th of December. Now, this is actually an information I didn't have all this while. I am just getting to my eyes are just getting to open about this information, and I think it's something everyone who is in crypto should take advantage of. But let me go back to Doge. Let me show you why Dogebull is having a lot of such. I don't really know why it's having that much surge, but I kind of believe probably it could probably be related to the fact that the supply here is 137, which of course is difficult to really tell. We can see the volume traded so far, the 24 hours volume traded $176,000 plus. You can see the all-time high of Doge was $225,000. We are all expecting the market to actually go ballistic this year, so it would be wise to put, even if it's $100, even if it's $50, just decide you can split it into two. Okay, let me get some Dogebull and let me also get some LINKbull, and wait till April or May and take your profit out. It's as simple as that. Buying now is not bad. I'm going to advise everyone to actually take a look into it, to actually put some thoughts into it. Now, this is a coin that I would say people should buy for a while and leave it for a while. XRPbull. We all know how much XRP is going to worth in the nearest future. Like, XRP is going to be a very, very big player in the crypto space, and if you actually really want to make some billions, because for me this is the fastest way to make money in crypto, leverage trade, you actually make a lot of money in crypto. The risk here on FTX is actually very minimized, because you don't actually get liquidated per se. You only lose the value, but you don't lose it. Just like the normal cryptocurrency, we all know the value of our portfolio drops, but we still have a token, and we know that when the market goes up, we're going to actually recoup our losses. Now, the price of XRP has dropped drastically. Now, the 90 days view shows that XRP was as high as 0.1, as high as 0.01511, and as low as 0.0099. So now imagine the market being this high and coming all the way to what the current price is right now. This is 0.0003835. Man, like, everybody should get this coin, because let me assume you're able to use $25 to buy XRPbull, and on the 8th of May you decide to take profit on the 8th of May. Okay, so if you're using $20 to buy XRPbull at this price, let me punch my calculator because I like being more practical. If you're using $20 to buy XRPbull at the current price, so let me just approximate it to 39, it means you're going to be having 51,000 units plus. So let me assume XRPbull increases back to its previous high, not all-time high, to its previous high of November 12th 2021, 0.015. That's going to give you $769. It is small, yes, but at the same time you have actually made so much money. Now let us look at the all-time high of XRP. The all-time high of XRP was on the December 2nd 2020. This was just prior to when the SEC sued XRP. So the all-time high was 148.96. Now let us assume that XRP goes as high as this after their case, which we are believing that the case should come to an end towards the end of the year, or even before the end of the year. Let us assume the case comes to an end. It means XRP can actually touch this price of 149 again. So now I want to be very, very conservative with my expectation in price. So let me assume we are still buying at $20, so we're going to be getting $50, 200 units of XRPbull. Let me just say the price actually touches half of what it had touched before. Half of 145 is like $72. That'll be 3.6 million. So I'm not doing this to make you join or go ahead to buy XRPbull, but I'm just showing you that there are other opportunities and there are other ways to actually make money from the crypto space. Right now I'm doing my best to accumulate these bull coins, because I know this year we're going to actually have a very, very serious boom in the market. A lot of people are still yet to see it. A lot of people are still allowing their judgments with what they are saying in the market to affect their investments or when they should invest or something. But right now it's just patience. Patience is all that is in there right now, because we're actually going to make it. So I've started accumulating XRPbull. You can see it here. This is XRPbull. This is XRPbull. This is the LINKbull, and this is Dogebull. So basically, here you won't see bull. What you're going to see is 3x long XRP. So long is for the price to increase, short is for the price to drop. So people mostly trade long than short. So another coin I'm going to also advise people who have more money to look into is Algorand. Algorand is actually going to make some good price increase this year, so people can as well take advantage on it. Same thing with Matic though, but I'm looking forward to Matic towards from after July, from August upward, we could start seeing some good price increase in the price of Matic. So right now the all-time high for Algorand was on the 14th of November, and this is 401687. This is 4020. Okay, this is 60. So it actually killed 2 zeros, and right now it has returned back to 6 zeros. So yeah, this is actually less attractive, but I kind of feel like one can actually take advantage of it. The total supply is 111.9 billion. Okay, this is really much, man. This is quite much. So it's actually up to you. Just do what you think resonates with you. It's just only an idea. It's an opportunity I felt I should share with everyone, and everyone in my group should in my community should have knowledge about this. So it's now up to you to do what you think is right. Have a great day.